Hey, what's up? We back. It's your boy Brio. Welcome to Brio's World. So today I'm going to teach you how to use the SP404 and the SP303 like a MPC. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use the 404 in delete mode, and we're going to trigger the pads like a MPC. They're going to cancel out. And you're going to have to use another like a DAW, Ableton Live, you know, a 303 in my case, or MPC, whatever you want to record it. But we're going to do that to trigger these samples and have a little like another way to resample. So hope you like it. Let's get to it. And we back. So let's get to it. Okay, first things first, we're gonna make sure you find your samples. So for the sake of the tutorial, I already put this as a resample beat. I'll give you a sample of what I was doing. Okay, you might say, well, I can just do that in the regular pads, but it could be a little more efficient if you're using the delete button. So hit the delete button. Make sure you do not push delete. So I've done that a few times. Don't do that. Trust me, it sucks. So, like for example, this is just like the MPC. We'll start it like this. So that's just an example. Hey, just a little flip, like for the sake of the tutorial, you can do that, or like I said, you can do it the old-fashioned way, which is chop them up like that. But me, sometimes if you want to do it on the fly, if you want to play it, for example, let me turn it to here, to the 303. Say you were, say you already had you set it up, and you know you want to record, you want to do it live. Make sure your delete's good. And the Hemo, that's Maximus. And this is He-Man and Maximus. So he's ready. Here we go. So just for an example, so say that was your beat, whatever, and then you stop it. So, or you can do that live. Obviously, we talked about the the vinyl sim. So you can already have that going into it. That's the beautiful thing about the SP303. You can do it live into it. So, and this will be what you got. Oh, let me turn it on. So, there it is. So, hope you learned something today. It was simple. Like I said, I like to keep it simple. Just a simple tutorial on how to do it. And comment, subscribe, like, get at me if you have any questions, any content you want to talk about. Hey, that's my time for today. Peace.